Hey, what up guys? Today we're doing Air Force One for Royce David. He is Little Mosey's main producer, so I'm super excited to do this one, and let's go into it. So for this custom, we're doing a Louis V DIOR drip. So yeah, first we gotta tie the laces and take off the factory finish with some nail polish. Next, I went ahead and drew out the drip, and then I laid down the Louis V stencils. After I painted that with a light gray DIOR color, and then I put a Royce on the back of the shoe on the heel, just to kind of get that iconic look. Once I did that, I painted the back heel the same light gray, and then I let it dry and I took off the stencils. Quickly touch up the shoe. And boom, we are done with the customs. I already went out, got some videos, got some photos for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my boy Royce David likes these. And I'm shipping them out tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions or want to buy some shoes, check me out on Instagram at Chicago. Peace.